Today's question is, how do the stories of the prophets in Islam compare with those in Christianity and Judaism? This is a lengthy question, and inshallah I will try to give you the 10 points. First is, that depends on which prophet we are talking about. In many cases, the stories of the prophets in the Quran are like the stories in the Bible. Some example includes the story of the Noah and his ark. Is the same in the Bible and in the Quran. The story of Ibrahim alayhi salam and Sarah and the birth of their son Isaac alayhi salam, who is also considered as a prophet in the Quran. The story of the Jacob alayhi salam and his 12 sons, including the Joseph, who is also considered as a prophet in the Quran. And the most often mentioned prophet in the Quran is Musa alayhi salam, and the story of his mission in Egypt to rescue his people. Some of the major differences between the biblical account of some of these prophets and the Quran stem from the fact that Quran holds all prophets were immune from major sins. The stories of the prophet Jesus are close to the Bible in their description of his virginal birth and the miracles, but differ sharply in their account of divinity of Jesus alayhi salam and his crucifixion. Quran states that Jesus alayhi salam was only a man, not divine, and that before the crucifixion, Jesus alayhi salam was taken up to the heaven and replaced by a man who liked him. And Jesus alayhi salam will return to the earth before the doomsday, and he will follow Islam. Thank you.